Hey guys, I got these RV Guard stabilizer trailer jacks here. They're good for up to 6,000 pounds. And hoping this helps out with the rocking back and forth of the trailer when we walk around in it, just to kind of help stabilize it a little bit, keep it a little more still. Trailers are naturally kind of springy when you walk around in them, so these things will help out to stabilize them. All right, here's everything that came in the box. You get 4 of these. So look at those. And here's the adjuster, some threaded rod there. And that nut is going to sit right in here, just like that. And that'll keep that nut still. And now you can adjust the height on these. Super easy, just like this. Raise it up and lower it. All right, there we go. So you can put it on some bricks and just snug it up to the frame of the trailer just like that. It works great, easily adjustable.